Hi children, it's me again, your Chitra ma'am here with a new content, a new poem. Poem 9, Garden Snake, in your honeycomb textbook. The poem is written by Muriel Sohn. Let us look who Muriel Sohn was. Muriel Sohn. She was born on 31st October 1913 in California, United States of America. She was married to Lowen Leah in 1957, and the most famous work is what we are going to learn here today, and that is Garden Snake. With this only work, The Garden Snake, she became world famous, and she died on 23rd February 1930 at the age of 76. She is a renowned poet and an author. Now, the poem which we are going to learn here today, The Garden Snake. Do you know what a garden snake is? This is a picture of garden snake. It's very small, tiny, harmless, and not at all venomous. By seeing the picture itself, you can identify how harmless it is, right? So before going on into the poem or the poem details, let's read the poem once. Here is the poem, Garden Snake. I saw a snake and ran away. Some snakes are dangerous, they say. But mothers say that kind is good and eats up insects for his food. So when he wiggles in the grass, I'll stand aside and watch him pass and tell myself there is no mistake. It's just a harmless garden snake. So this is the poem all about. It is about a little boy who is entering a garden and he suddenly sees a snake over there. And what happens? Obviously, when we see a snake, either we will faint or become unconscious, or we will run away from the spot. The same thing happened here to the boy too. He saw a snake over there, he got scared, he ran away from the spot. Because, why? We people say that snakes are really harmful. They are very dangerous. But this misconception was changed by his mother. His mother told him that snakes are dangerous, but not all snakes, especially the garden snakes. They are really very useful to us. Now the boy started thinking, how are garden snakes useful to us? So the mother said the way how it is being useful to us, and that is, it eats up all the insects in the garden and saves our garden beautifully. Is that clear? This is what the poem is all about. Now let's see line by line of the poem. I saw a snake and ran away. Some snakes are dangerous, they say. So in this, the little boy, you can see that he is in his garden and he saw a very little snake over there, and that was a garden snake. And as what ma'am has said earlier, when we see a snake, what will happen? The boy started running from the garden. But mother says that kind is good and eats up insects for his food. But my mother changed my misconception. What was my misconception? That all snakes are dangerous. Now my mother has changed my misconception. She said that snakes are dangerous, but not all the snakes. Especially the garden snakes are harmless. Why? Because they eat up insects for his food. And by eating insects, they are saving our plants in the garden. So when he wiggles in the grass, I'll stand aside and watch him pass. What do you mean by wiggle? What do you mean by the word wiggle? Wiggle means to move from one side to another. You know that a snake, how it moves, right? So next time when the boy sees the snake in the garden, what is the boy going to do? So when he wiggles in the grass, I will stand aside and watch him pass. So the little boy got courageous. He became courageous and he said that now hereafter he is not going to fear while seeing a snake in the garden. When the snake is in the garden, he is going to stand aside. Stand aside means to move aside. To move aside, he will stand aside and watch the snake pass by. And how? And tell myself there is no mistake, it's just a harmless garden snake. And the boy, he knows that he has fear inside his mind, but still by seeing this garden snake, and also his mother has told him that it is not dangerous, he is saying that I will stand aside and watch the snake pass and tell myself that these garden snakes are not at all dangerous. I hope the poem is clear to all. Yes? Once again, let's read the poem. I saw a snake and ran away. Some snakes are dangerous, they say. But mother says that kind is good and eats up insects for his food. So when he wiggles in the grass, I will stand aside and watch him pass and tell myself there is no mistake, it's just a harmless garden snake. Is the concept clear to you? Yes? Now, the points to be remembered, that is, we are just going to recap what we have learnt. Who is the poet? Poetess Muriel Soon. And we have also discussed about garden snake. What is a garden snake? A common name for generally harmless small to medium sized snakes. They are called as garden snakes. And what is the poem all about? It's a little boy who saw a snake in the garden and was scared by people saying that snakes are very dangerous. But his mother changes his misconception saying that garden snakes are good since it eats up all the insects in the garden. And so next time the boy decides that he will not get scared of seeing the garden snake and he will allow the snake to pass by very silently and also would tell himself that garden snakes are harmless creatures. So that is all, my dear children. I hope the poem is very clear to all, right? Thank you for watching.